Well, folks, this is Bessie's last ride. We're going to work, and if I am able to take a new vehicle home today, this will be Bessie's last drive to work. If I can't take one home today, then tomorrow might be her last drive to work. I don't really know, but yeah. So the old girl, she's done me well for 15 years. She's 16 years old, but I've had her for 15 years. So we will see. I'm looking at the Seltos and the Soul, both Kias. So yeah, wish me luck. I'll update you as the day goes. Well, here's Bessie's replacement. It is a Kia Soul 2021. She had 8,000 miles on her. And that's my new car. Look how much room I have in here. It's like amazing. And I'm not even pulled all the way in. And look at this back here. Before I had to pull way up there. I can walk back here. I bet you I might even be able to open the dealie. Hang on, let me see. Let's see. Sorry. Let's see if I can open this up. Holy cow. Look how clean this is. This is before the dogs have ever been in it. Callie, what you think, girl? Look at my new car, girl. Sam, what you think, buddy? What do you think? You want to get up in it? Come on, Sam. Come on. What you guys think? Yeah, it's a little bit high. We'll get in from the side. That's our new car, guys. What you think, Luberdoo? All right. I'm going to close it, Sam. Yeah, I know. It's exciting. All right, I got to feed these wild things. So thank you, everybody, for your prayers and your well wishes. Everything turned out good. I'm happy with the payment, happy with the vehicle that I got. And yeah, everything turned out well. So thank you for the prayers, and thank you, Jesus, for not giving me more than I could handle. And thank you to my friend Angie for going with me and holding my hand and helping me through all of it. All right, bye.